When you try to make passive income as an investor, guess what happens? You get out what you put in, right? Well, if we have no money to put in, then we're not going to get back very little, right? If you put 5 grand into a stock and you make 10%, that's only $500, right? So it's like that's not very much. Same thing with real estate, you're not going to make very much unless you put very much into it. So here's the real solution, y'all. The real solution is you're going to have to sacrifice. You're going to have to give up some things that you love for 5 to 10 years and either A, build a business, because if you invest your 5 grand into a business, you can turn that $5,000 investment in your own business that you're the owner of, that you work to build. You could turn that into a multi-million-dollar company and never have to work, and you just collect the check from the company because you're a shareholder in that company, right? So that's really what you can do, but it's gonna take some time to sacrifice to build it. You're gonna work night and day, day and night. You're gonna have to give up partying. You're gonna have to give up leisure time. You might have to sacrifice going out to eat for a while you build that company up, right?